Heading into Speak, go say hello to Connor.
What's up, man? Good to see you.
Maybe we could start with like a quick background on what is Speak? What do you guys do?
At Speak, we're trying to reinvent the way that people learn using AI, and we're starting with language. We build an app called Speak, and it helps you learn languages to have real spoken fluency. Normally, when people learn languages, the classic problem is they run into the issue of not being able to actually speak it because you're either doing a classroom setting or you're talking to a tutor or you're using like an app, but those are uncomfortable, expensive, etc. Apps historically have really been just static vocab memorization apps. In the modern era with LLMs, all of the advanced AI that we have today, we can really build something that's a lot closer to like the best tutor in the world. And so that's really what we're trying to do. And I think language learning is a cool first act for us, and it's a good preview of what learning is going to be like for anything in the next few years in the era of AI. Here's our wall of people talking out loud. So we have a little visualization every time anyone says anything into the app.
Who's this very athletic guy right here?
Jane?
What's up? I'm Max. Good to meet you, man. What brought you here in the first place?
One thing that I'm a little upset at is I'm not able to communicate with my grandmother in her native language, which is German. I've learned little bits here and there, but never fluently. So I really like the idea of helping people learn, communicate, and have a better experience.
Oh, it's not scripted at all. Here we have a dynamic duo.
I'm Max.
Matt.
Nice to meet you. What makes you guys the dynamic duo?
We're always talking.
You're clearly always talking.
Whispering to my ravens. Makes me more effective, probably makes you less effective since you have to sit next to me.
It's like ASMR you don't ask for. It's pretty great.
Can I ask you guys why somebody should come join Speak?
Speak is a really great place to work. Very smart people. We're on a really awesome mission for teaching everyone how to speak different languages. Unlimited token budgets for now. Great place to learn.
People kind of have this false notion of you either have to work at like a socially good company or like a cutting edge AI company. And it's well that you can do both here.
What piece of advice would you give to yourself at some earlier point in your career?
I feel like when I was 18, 19, I thought I knew everything. I was so brash. As you get older, you realize all of the things that you don't know. I feel like I could have done a lot more when I was younger, like soaking up from other people. There's a really cool dynamic here is we've started to hire more junior folks. In the beginning of the company, we were afraid to do that. And we've noticed, first of all, their defaults way more AI, but also the amount that they just can soak up from other peers is incredible. And it's like a shortcut.
Tell me a little bit about what you guys are hiring for right now.
ML engineers, AI product engineers in general, cannot hire enough. And I can promise we have some really, really interesting applied problems and some interesting modalities to work on.